Cost over $35,000. Loaded and low miles. Cold weather package, heated front seats, heated mirrors and washer jets, and power folding mirrors. Convenience package, auto headlights, auto dimming rear view mirror, rain sensor, and universal garage door opener. Premium package, anti-theft alarm system, automatic climate control, chrome line interior, and Harman Kardon premium sound. 17 alloy wheels, crown spoke, gravity leather upholstery, and xenon headlights. Tired of the same ho-hum drive? Well, change up things with this fully loaded 2010 Mini Cooper S, designated by Consumer Guide as a 2010 sporty performance best buy. Have one less thing on your mind with this trouble-free Cooper S. For more information or questions, contact us by phone. Automatic transmission, 888-285-5137.